Have you ever wanted a chess opening that works against almost anything? Easy to learn, solid and powerful? Then say hello to the London system. In this video, we'll break down one of the most reliable setups in chess, move by move, so you can use it to dominate your next game. Let's get started. The first move. 1d4. White begins by pushing the d-pawn 2 squares forward. This move immediately controls the centre and opens lines for both the queen and the light-squared bishop. It's a flexible and powerful start that sets up a stable foundation for the rest of the system. The second move, 1-d5, black responds symmetrically, taking control of the centre as well. Now we have a balanced pawn structure, and both sides are ready to develop their pieces. The third move, 2nf3. White develops the knight to a natural square, defending the d4 pawn, and preparing to castle kingside later. This move also keeps the option open for other central pawn pushes like e3. The fourth move, 2nf6 black mirrors again, developing a knight and reinforcing control over the central e4 square. Both players are following classical opening principles. The fifth move, 3bf4. Now comes the heart of the London system. The bishop moves out to f4 outside the pawn chain. This gives white great control over the e5 square and sets up a very stable structure that's easy to play and hard to attack. From here, white usually continues with e3, c3, nbd2 and bb3, creating a strong and flexible formation. The beauty of the London is that you can play it almost the same way no matter what black does. It's simple, solid and perfect for players who want consistency and confidence from the opening. So that's the London system, a setup that gives white a rock-solid position, great piece coordination, and a clear plan in every game. It's the perfect weapon for players who love structure and control. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with your chess friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful chess openings and tactics.